I'm taking a movie. I didn't realize it. The Brandywine. I'm drifting down here. Must have moved. I'll take a little film. Here we are on the Brandywine River. A little current, shallow, rocky. I just hiked up about 2 miles on it, maybe a little more. Upstream, getting out, pulling up over the shallow parts. And now I'm just drifting down. Seeing 2 hawks, big ones. And buzzards, turkey vultures. I've seen ducks. Well, 3 deer I surprised. I tried to get a picture. I'll have to see. It's nice. A nice current now. It was a good workout paddling up it. It's going to be an easy ride back to where I put in. About 2.5 miles maybe. It was nice. It's very peaceful. Floating on the Brandywine in Pennsylvania. It's a historic Brandywine battle during one of the wars. Was it the Civil War? Or was it the Revolutionary War? I'll have to find out. It's going right along. I'm hardly paddling. Got a good current. Paddling on the Brandywine. I couldn't think of a better time. It's pretty quiet here. The traffic is disappeared. No one but me on the Brandywine. Oh yeah. Couple birds, swallows. They keep diving at me every once in a while. Yep. What else have I seen along here? A lot of fish in the river. One jumped when I first put in. I see a lot of little small ones. Haven't grown up yet. The river's pretty clear. It's got a color to it, but I don't think that's pollution. I think it's just the characteristic of this river. I have seen some people fishing on it, so I'm sure that it has a fish in it, maybe some trout. Trees along the river, like on my hike yesterday, are incredible. Huge sycamores, hundreds of years old. Ash, hickory. Even some black walnut. Oh, look at this, huh? Just cruising along. There goes a little fish in front of my bow. Peace and contentment in God's cathedral. You always see God here in every tree, in every animal, and every fish, and everything that flies, swims, creeps, and crawls along the earth, or walks on 4 or 2 legs. We are all related. We all are part of the spirit that flows through all things. I always feel it incredibly strong here. That connection. I'm going to have to end this because I got a little riffle coming up and I'm going to have to pay attention. Nice talking with you. And here we are, cruising down again. I'm coming to where I put in. The old Gibson Bridge right there. I paddled up to the trestle bridge and now I'm floating down. A lot easier coming down. Current's nice. On the Brandywine, Pennsylvania. He goes at school, bird school. And me, I'm just keeping busy. 6 days until I pick him up on Friday. It's Tuesday now. I'll probably go past this bridge a little bit. flats. I won't go down any rivers because then I have to carry back up. I'm probably usually just so shallow I can't paddle it. Paddled up some good ones that were deep enough. That was a good workout. Pan over here to this old trunk of a tree. Look at that. That was a huge old tree. A lot of them. Fortunately, most of them are still standing. Right? They've got to be hundreds of years old. On the Brandywine. Tastes like Chardonnay. It's on a good day. Get us over here a little, doing a one-arm paddle. Looks like they got a little riffle coming up. Nice little trail here to hike on. It's in like 3 sections. The whole thing is 2.5 miles. You go up 2.5 and back. I did that yesterday, about 5 miles. It's a nice little walk. It follows this river. It's to my left here, a little river left. Sometimes it's close by and you can see the river from it, and other times you can't. It goes away, but it's a nice hiking trail. You have a dirt road, hiking trail you can use, or there's also a trail that goes up over one part of it's pretty steep. You can hike on a trail or hike on a path, bike path. A lot of people bike it, skateboard it, walk it. Yesterday I went the 2.5 miles down on the trail, and then I walked back on a bike path. Both of them were very interesting. Good scenery. Large trees. I don't know if you can see it, but right there is a nice huge sycamore. 3 of them actually. They're a few hundred years old. Hey, I got a little ripple coming up. There needs to be a run on this side if there's enough water. There should be. A little scratchy at times right now, but not bad for June. Running a river where still passable. All right, I gotta say goodbye and negotiate this without getting the camera wet.